So hey guys, this is Life Video Reminder time. It's Monday today. So actually I don't have work today, so since it's USA holiday for Memorial Day. So happy holiday to all my US friends. My foreign friends, same thing. So I'm making this. This is my food for today. This is so yummy, guys. You have to try this. But actually, what I put inside is rice, corned beef with egg. Oh my god, it's like sushi. Sushi but beef. So, since I'm having my brunch now, so this is to remind you that eat well, live well, work out well. So this is my coffee. And this is my meal today. It's so yummy, you have to try this. Ang seaweed talaga, super yummy siya. Pero hindi ko siya feel pag kainin ko lang siya ng seaweed alone. Masarap din siyang sa spam. Isabay sa spam. I-cut mo lang yung spam, tapos lagyan mo siya ng cucumber or what. And also carrots. Then, this is it. This is my seaweed. This is the cover. I just bought it sa... Binili ko lang siya sa sa supermarket. Yun lang naman. Tapos doon sa mga taong hindi naman holiday, so work hard. Of course, have a blessed week ahead, guys. Huwag tatamad-tamad sa buhay. Ay, ganun. Perfect. Pag kumakain talaga ako ng beef or basta yung mga fatty na food, gusto ko talaga meron ako side na kape or tea. Kasi feeling ko super oily ng mga, although hindi ko siya nilagyan ng oil pagluto ko. Super oily kasi talaga ng beef, guys. So, na lang. Prevention is better than cure. Yan na.